welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get TikTok call option, right? So if you want to actually call someone on TikTok just like this, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I actually called this person. So I'm going to show you how I actually did that, right? You can see I'm calling the person again. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings and scroll the way down to apps. Click on apps and you're going to go all the way down to TikTok, right? So once you get to your TikTok, you have to clear up the cache, right? So you have to go to storage. Once you go to storage, you click on cache to delete all the cache and also all the data. So once you do that, you have to put it on force stop. You can see once you do that, you have to go to your Play Store and search for TikTok and click on the update button. So once you update the TikTok app, you go to your TikTok and you have to go to your profile, click on those three horizontal lines, click on settings and privacy, and you click on notifications. So you can be able to select who can actually call you on TikTok, but I don't know why my notification is taking a lot of time. So you just have to go to notification, turn off your notification so that anytime anybody is calling you, you'll be able to see the person, and you can also set who can actually call you. If it's only people that follows you, or anybody at random can just call you, you can just set that up. So that's literally what you need to do on the notification. So once you do that, you'll be able to call someone on TikTok just like I did right now. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.